Hi guys, this is Dr. Jeff Ader here for your 1-minute health tip. And today what we're going to talk about is the knee and an exercise that you can do to help with knee pain, okay? So what we're going to do is focus on a muscle called the tibialis anterior, which runs in the front of your leg like so, your shin pretty much, okay? So what you're going to do to help stretch it out, what I want you to do is lean against the wall just like this right here, and you're going to take your feet like so, and you're going to take them and you're going to point them up like this. Okay, so this is known as plantar flexion. This is known as dorsiflexion. So you're going to bring your toes up towards the ceiling and hold for about 5 to 10 seconds then. Okay, and then bring them down. And then bring them up one more time. Okay, and then bring them down. All right, and you're going to feel the stretch right along here in the front then. Okay guys, if you like this information, please like and subscribe to the channel for more health tips, not only with the knee, but the other parts of the body. And if there's anything else that you want us to cover, please leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time.